Go to your browser. Type Anydesk download. Click official site. Download for Windows. Screen sharing from everywhere. Fluent mobile device management. Smooth remote work with unattended access. Efficient remote printing. Stable interactive access. Lightning fast file transfer. Go to download the file location. Click to open and install. If you want to stay updated with technology, if you are interested in PC tricks, PC problem solutions, software reviews, Windows related problems, then please you can subscribe to our channel.